Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix PrizePicks Withdrawal not working. Alright, let's begin. To resolve the PrizePicks Withdrawal issue, first open your web browser. In the search bar, type prizepicks.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official PrizePicks website. Next, to address any withdrawal problems, seek assistance from the PrizePicks customer support team. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen, look for Help Center, and click on the Live Support option. You will land on the Help Center page, which displays various tabs. Select the tab labeled Live Support. Here, click on the Chat Now option. You will see a prompt to send a message. Start chatting with the PrizePicks customer support team by informing them that you are experiencing difficulties withdrawing your funds from PrizePicks. They will guide you through the process and help resolve your issue. So that's basically how you can fix PrizePicks withdrawal not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.